What is DNA?
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses.
Structure. DNA is made up of two long strands that form a double helix. Each strand is made of units called nucleotides, which consist of a sugar, deoxyribose, a phosphate group, a nitrogenous base, adenine, a thymine, T, cytosine, C, or guanine, G.
Base pairing. The bases pair in specific ways. Adenine, A, pairs with thymine, T, cytosine, C, pairs with guanine, G.
Function. DNA contains genes, which are instructions for making proteins. It is responsible for heredity, passing traits from parents to offspring. DNA guides cell activities by coding for proteins.
Location. In eukaryotic cells, like those in plants and animals, DNA is mostly found in the nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, DNA is located in the cytoplasm.